Ever feel like self-discipline is this mythical superpower you'll never have? Like everyone else has a secret manual for staying motivated, focused, and productive while you're stuck in a loop of procrastination and Netflix binges? Well, here's the truth. Self-discipline isn't a trait you're born with. It's a skill you can actually build, and it starts with simple habits you can practice every single day. By the end of this video, you'll have 6 powerful strategies to take control of your time, energy, and goals, and start building unbreakable self-discipline from the ground up. Tip 1. Daily rewrites. Self-discipline is a constant battle against yourself. Some days, laziness tries to take over, and without reinforcement, productivity can vanish in an instant. The solution? Treat your goals like living documents. Don't rely on a list you wrote months ago. Your ambitions change, your wins and losses shift your perspective, and your motivation needs constant updates. Take a few minutes every day, morning or night, to review your goals. Ask yourself, why does this matter? What's worth pushing through the tough moments? By reminding yourself why your success matters, you create a daily shield against distractions and setbacks. Tip 2. Leverage technology. Technology is often painted as the enemy of discipline, and yes, it can be a trap. But it's also one of your best allies if used wisely. Tracking apps for routines, diet, exercise, and sleep give you hard data about your habits that you wouldn't notice otherwise. You can see trends, identify weak spots, and make adjustments that keep your productivity on track. The key is consistency. Input your data daily, and don't let your phone turn into a black hole of endless scrolling. Technology isn't the problem, it's how you use it. Tip 3. Raw diet for energy. You might think discipline is purely mental, but your body fuels your focus. Eating unprocessed fruits, vegetables, and nuts gives you energy without draining your body through heavy digestion. This concept, called dietary-induced thermogenesis, explains why raw foods make it easier to stay productive and motivated. Low energy equals low discipline, so eating smart is like giving your brain and body an extra boost every day. And yes, stay hydrated. It's basic, but often overlooked. Before starting any diet change, check in with a medical professional to make sure it's safe for you. Tip 4. Productive pairing. Here's a fun trick. Pair tasks you should do with things you want to do. If drinking a kale smoothie feels like punishment, pair it with an episode of your favorite show. If you need to write a report, listen to music that makes you feel unstoppable. The principle is simple. Reward your brain while doing the less enjoyable task, and suddenly, discipline doesn't feel like a chore. It feels like a small win with a bonus. Over time, these pairings help form habits that stick without requiring extreme willpower. Tip 5. Focus on one change. Ever get stuck in the what-ifs of your day? You could have eaten better, worked harder, or avoided an embarrassing moment, but obsessing over everything drains your motivation. Instead, pick one thing to improve tomorrow. That's it. Just one change. This creates a realistic path for self-improvement and stops fear or regret from hijacking your productivity. Even if the rest of the day felt chaotic, redeeming yourself with a single intentional action builds momentum and confidence. Tip 6. Know your natural rhythm. Some people thrive in the morning, others after sunset. Fighting your natural energy rhythm is like swimming upstream. You'll get tired, frustrated, and slow. Pay attention to when you feel most alert, creative, or productive, and schedule your toughest work during those periods. Trial and error might be necessary, but once you align your tasks with your biological clock, you'll find self-discipline becomes far less of a struggle. These 6 tips are the foundation of unbreakable self-discipline. They show that it's not about willpower alone. It's about smart strategies, understanding yourself, and creating an environment that supports your goals. If you found this useful, stick around, because in Part 2, we're diving into the final 6 tips, advanced strategies that make distractions, laziness, and lack of motivation nearly impossible to derail your day. If you found this video meaningful and interesting, drop a comment below and share your experience. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find this content useful. And as always, thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.